Hello everyone, today I show you how to cook white rice. I've been cooking rice since I was 8. The children in Vietnam, they cook rice since they are very young, 2-3 years old. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you for your support. I have 2 cups white rice here. I wash, and normally I use this water to water my plants for the food. And I add 1 cup of water and place on high heat until the water boils, and wait until it's all evaporated, and then cover well for 20 minutes, and that's done. Now it's cooked and it's fluffy. It's so easy. Please let me know if you have any question, and I will see you soon on next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.